Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be baking banana cake. So let's call your bananas and jump right in. To kick this off, add softened butter and sugar, then cream it together. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit on fan bake. Now it's creamed, add one egg at a time and thoroughly mix it in before adding the next egg. With it excellently done, add your banana and again mix it in. In a small ramekin or similar, have some hot milk and add the baking soda. Then mix it until it is fluffy looking. Back to the main bowl, we add the fluffy milk mixture and beat it in. Then with a sieve, we add the flour and baking powder and carefully fold the mixture together with a spatula. With a 20 centimeter round cake tin lined with baking paper, deposit the mixture and then bake for 50 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean from the center. Having finished baking, leave it to sit for 10 minutes in the tin. Once the sitting period has passed, it's time to free it from the tin and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Since the cake is cool, we start the icing. We add butter and vanilla essence and then mix them. Then we add icing sugar and cocoa powder and mix them until they're together roughly. With the clumping, we add small amounts of milk to make it more spreadable and have a milk chocolatey goodness. Now, get your cake and cut it in half with a bread knife and remove the top using a thin chopping board. Then we spread some of the icing on the bottom half, and once done, replace the top. Now we ice the top and let it set for some time before cutting into it and enjoying. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make this amazing banana cake today. Don't forget to check out the recipe book for more baked goods from the kitchen. Also, comment below and whisk that subscribe button to stay up to date on what comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.